Huffaz Media presents.
Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to start really very interesting debate about merits and demerits of mobile phone. So let me tell you about structure of our class. We have divided our class into two sections, section A and section B. The section A is going to describe merits of mobile phones and section B would describe demerits of mobile phones. We are going to start this activity, so be with us, let's continue.
So here is the first participant from Team A, and he would present his ideas and arguments about merits of mobile phone. Yes, please.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Salman and I am from Chitral. I will discuss about the merits of mobile. First, mobile phone entertains us by sports. Mobile phone helps to manage our official tasks, improves our social circle, and entertains us by sports. Thank you.
So, dear audience, here is our second participant from Team A, and he would share his ideas about merits of mobile phone. Yes, please.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmad Noor. My father name is Nurzev. I am from Sawat. Today I am talking about merits of mobile. First of all, mobile saves our money. How mobile saves our money? If you want to learn English and you are going to coaching and paying fee and changing your clothes and taking a bath every day, so you can learn English by the mobile easily, without fee, without anything. From where you can learn English? You can go to Play Store and search their Noon Academy and install that app, then open that app and search, choose your time and save your money. When we study online, we can save our money. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Muhammad Umar and I am from Jamia Rasheed. I am going to tell you about demerits of mobile phone, that mobile phone lost our privacy. People can hack anyone's ID or privacy just by these electronic devices and mobile. People can do such bad things like blackmailing and can annoy anyone. As you know, there was a game named Blue Whale. People used to annoy and blackmail by that application. Moreover, in this era, people can send a link, only a link, and encourage all privacy about business or something else. So, Mr. President, let me state here that mobile phone is great danger for our privacy. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anas Bhatt and my father name is Huffaz Shaheen Bhatt and I am from Sialkot. Today I want to talk about demerits of mobile phone. One of that, mobile phone in classroom contributes lower marks in studies. Students are developing strong connections with mobile phone. Students are wasting time in gaming videos. Finally, it becomes really very difficult to focus and to maintain your concentrations. Mr. President, mobile phone and other electronic devices can be distracting for students in classroom. According to new research, electronic devices, use of mobile phone in classroom attracts your attention. Mr. President, studies show that just having your mobile phone near you, even face down or silent, attracts your attention. I am here to declare that mobile phone are injurious for our studies. Thanks for listening.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Wais Mirza. I am from Karachi. And today I'm here to talk to you about with merits of mobile. So, mobile allows the workers and managers to remain in contact with their bases while out on site, while traveling between locations, or to communicate with their colleagues and clients while working from home. As you know that we had a hard time of coronavirus. And as well as it contains many different functions and softwares like calculator, dictionary, stopwatch, time clock, which help people in their daily life, especially students as like us. Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Qasim. My father's name is Muhammad Ismail. I am from Sawat. Today I am going to tell you about demerits of mobile. Mr. President, the National Safety Council reports that cell phone use while driving is 6 more likely to cause an accident by texting while driving. Texting while driving is 6 more likely to cause an accident than driving drunk.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Hadi and I am from Karachi. Firstly, Mr. President, I want to say that these mobile phones cause many problems, just like eye blindness, health issues, and the main of them are brain problems. So just imagine this, if you wouldn't be healthy just because due to these mobile phones, So how would it beneficial for you? How could you acquire some knowledge by these mobile phones? So this is my first question what I asked, and that's not enough. But approximately 1.6 road million accidents take place every year, and the most of them are caused by mobile phones. So you can imagine by yourself how are these mobile phones much deadly for you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Taj and my father name is Taj Muhammad. I am from Peshawar. Today I am going to tell you about demerits of mobile phone. Cell phone use while driving leads to 60 million crashes every year. Nearly 4 lakh injuries happen every year just because use of mobile. When you are using mobile while driving, your eyes are taken off the road for about 5 seconds, and in this way, who use mobile while driving, they invite their death. Thank you.
Mr. President, honorable delegations and fellow debaters, Assalamu alaikum. I am highly pleased to have this opportunity to put forward my statement in front of you. So today, I am going to tell about disadvantage of mobile phone. Use a mobile every time keeps us far from relatives, your friends and family. This is a big disadvantage that you don't know about your friends and family. It gives birth to hate in the hearts of your relatives and friends. Time is money and money is time. Don't use it much. Always try to less use your mobile phone and save your time and spend it in good cause. Mobile phone can cause of skin diseases, especially hand, mind, cancer and eyes problem. Another big disadvantage is loss of study of phone. Because of using mobile and the end of study session, they got very bad result, and many of them got failed in classroom. It may cause of your death. Some people use it during driving, which may cause of accident, and use it or using an aeroplane can dismiss the wireless system that may cause of aeroplane crash. If you have personal image, videos, files in your device, other people can easily steal your videos and files. Lastly, the biggest disadvantage is everybody speak lies while talking on cell phone, which is fraud and make people more liar. So, Mr. President, my statement is now declared that use of mobile phone causes major problems in our life. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am going to tell you about demerit of mobile. Although mobile are helpful in various aspects, it is one of the biggest responsible for the wastage of time. Most students and teenagers are affected by it. Students want to play games, watching movies and listening songs.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Saif and I am from Sargoda, and I am going to tell you about merits of mobile phone. Students are able to use phone to contact their parents. Likewise, if they are running late and need a picking up later, they can message or call without having to wait around. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Maaz. My father name is Muhammad Isa, and I am from Multan. Today I will explain the merits of mobile. Crime prevention and evidence gathering. Just having a camera and video is always at your disposal. Can sometimes have the effect deterring crime in critical situation. Thank you.
My name is Umar Javed and I am from Rinala Khurd. I study in Jamia Rasheed. Today I want to talk about demerits of mobile phone. Mobile phone in classroom contributes low marks in studies. Students are developing strong connection with mobile phones. Finally, it becomes really very difficult to focus. Mr. President, I am here to declare that mobile phones and other electronic devices are injurious to our studies. Thank you.
Respected guests and audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Zuhair Hussain. I study in Jamia Rasheed and I am from Karachi. Today I would like to let you know a very beneficial, very important, a very useful gadget. I think that it is the greatest blessing of Allah Almighty, and its good use can make us successful in here and hereafter life. I mean smartphone. As you know that the modern age is an era of information. Communication with mobile phones have converted the whole world into a global village. To describe the communication, I would like to let you know that in the old era, people used to send letters and it cost a lot of time to go. But in this modern age, you can send messages in merely a seconds, and you can tell your family, you can tell your relatives about your situations. And
A few years ago, a mobile phone was merely a status symbol, but now it has become a part of our life. Youngsters are greatly fascinated by the charms of mobile phone, not because of its attraction, but because it offers them multi-dimensional pleasures and facilities. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, my dear audience and wonderful young students, I sincerely appreciate your attention and your participation in today's activity. And I am really pleased to have you all here for this activity. And I hope so that next time you would be very well prepared for our next activity. So let's know in the comment section which idea of these brilliant children touch you the most. Thank you very much.